What up, man? Ain't no buzz out here. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Good to see you too. Let's take the streets for a little ride. Okay, we ride now. Yeah, you better light your bell, smoke your bell, and just kiss the sky. Look, and look at that with disrespect. Bust some F. Fight that man job. Yeah, I think the streets been looking for this one for a long time, guys. Yeah, come on. I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain. I'm pushing that ass again. I burn like acid rain, that ass is flame. These niggas trying to see how I come at your game. Nigga, never in a Not for making it be in hell with Catholic George for the hell of it. And I ain't gonna get close hot, it's gonna get now. You ain't fucking with that, you must be celebrating. Bad, just a little, got a sack, we can give a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yup, mommy, if you got a bad ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video, shot my little white. Come on, niggas, listen, let me talk. Alright, let's go. Rick Rock, we got another one, right? Let's get it along with it. Come on.
What them do, them roll bad girl. Them get suck, them play bad girl. But to drop them not bad girl. When them tap, them be pop bad girl. Knock them out, 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 knock them out.
First serve to first out. AK rifle is me long gun. Now 4 caliber me hand gun. One shot shit, knock up a plane and down. Bulletproof bust up like a gun.